Yo, what's up, everyone? Today, we're breaking down the slang term lawn. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, lawn is a slang term used to describe a close friend or brother figure. People use it when referring to someone they trust or hang out with regularly. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Lawn first showed up in London street slang in the early 2000s. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among UK urban youth. Now let's check out how to use lawn in a sentence. Correct example 1. I was hanging out with my lawn at the park all afternoon yesterday. Correct example 2. Yo, lawn, you coming to the party later? And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said lawn at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using lawn right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Lawn means a close friend or brother figure. It started in London street slang, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with lawn in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.